In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image inside a component in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Figma is a fantastic tool for designing and prototyping, and knowing how to switch out images inside your components can really enhance your workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Figma, and let's start by creating a frame. You can do this simply by clicking on the Frame tool in the top bar. Draw your frame to the size you want, and voila, you have your workspace ready. You should see your new frame on the canvas, giving you a perfect starting point for adding elements. Next, we'll add an image. Grab the Rectangle tool from the toolbox on the left and draw a rectangle over the area where you want your image to be. Once you have your rectangle, you can drag and drop an image from your desktop right onto that rectangle. Adjust it according to the dimensions of your component as needed. It's like building a nice little picture frame. Now here's where the magic happens. With both your rectangle and the image selected, hold down the Shift key to select both at the same time. Right-click on the selected area. You should see an option to Use as Mask. Go ahead and click that option. What this does is it clips your image to the shape of your rectangle, fitting it perfectly inside. Once you've masked the image, you'll notice that it fits snugly into the rectangle you created. Now right-click again while selecting the masked element, and you will find an option to Create Component. This step is vital because it allows you to make your design more modular. So go ahead and create that component. Next up, let's make a copy of this component. You can do this by selecting the component and using the keyboard shortcut Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows to copy. Then paste it right where you need it using Command-V or Control-V. This way you maintain consistency across your design. Now let's really get to switching images. Click on the component you just pasted, and in the right sidebar, look for the Fill option. Click on it, and then you'll see where it says Image. There's an option there that allows you to drop an image from your desktop. Click that, and you can select the new image you want. Once you've chosen your image, you'll notice that when you select the component, the image inside changes instantly. It's a powerful feature that saves you time, especially if you're working on a project with many image elements. And there you have it. You've successfully changed an image inside a component in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and components. Figma is a versatile tool, and the more you use it, the more skilled you'll become at creating beautiful designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks on design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.